Could a keyboard and mouse set this compact truly deliver a powerful gaming experience and efficient work? This NEWNAN combo promises big things in a tiny package, and we're about to find out if it lives up to the hype. Right out of the box, the first thing that strikes you is just how incredibly thin and light this set is. It's designed to be super easy to carry, making it an ideal companion for anyone who needs a reliable setup on the go. Imagine slipping this into your laptop bag without a second thought. It's genuinely that portable. The mini design isn't just about portability, it's also a game changer for desktop real estate. It takes up significantly less space, which is fantastic because it means you can position your mouse comfortably right next to the keyboard without feeling cramped. No more awkward reaching or pushing things aside. Everything feels naturally within reach. Setting it up is an absolute breeze. There are no complicated drivers or software to install. You just need to insert the mini keyboard into a USB port, and you're ready to start typing. It's truly plug and play, which is a huge plus for convenience, whether you're connecting it to a gaming console, a laptop, or a personal computer. The fact that it's USB powered also means no batteries are required, so you never have to worry about running out of juice in the middle of an intense gaming session or a crucial work task. Now let's talk about the experience. Despite its small footprint, this is a mechanical keyboard, which is a delightful surprise for its size. That means you get that satisfying tactile feedback and precise actuation that mechanical keyboards are known for, contributing to efficient data input. It feels responsive and robust, which is crucial for both fast-paced gaming and long typing sessions. And of course, it wouldn't be a gaming keyboard without a backlight. The integrated backlight adds a fantastic aesthetic touch, making it look sleek and modern, especially in a dimly lit room. It really elevates the overall feel and immersion. The ergonomic design is another standout feature. Even with its compact form factor, NEWNAN has clearly put thought into comfort. This is vital for anyone spending extended periods at their computer, helping to reduce strain and improve overall usability. It's an indoor keyboard, perfectly suited for your home setup, but its portability means it can easily transition to any space you need it. Overall, this NEWNAN mechanical backlight keyboard and mouse set is a surprisingly capable and incredibly convenient package. It's perfect for anyone who values space, portability, and a straightforward, efficient user experience, without compromising on the satisfying feel of a mechanical keyboard and the flair of a backlight. It truly delivers a big impact in a small size.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.